Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm with Cardmania Events. Come with me to trade up 4 cards from my own personal collection to see what you can achieve from one of our events. We've got our next trade here with Dwayne. We're trading the Maui for a Jolteon, so we'll get that going. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
And that's the Vault TCC. Check them out, guys. We've got our next trade here with Cardmania, with Jed. We've got a Jolteon for a Ninetales. Amazing. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Right, guys, we have our next trade, and that's for this Ninetales. George is here offering us a Loudred, and we're going to take this trade. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ben.
That's on behalf of Star TCG. Check out G Star as well. We'll put his handle in the description. Thank you so much.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.